Karibu Kcse questions transformation. Welcome. The image of P -2, 5 under translation T is P image, which is 2, 2. Q image 9, -5 is the image of Q under the same translation. Under the same translation T. Determine the coordinates of Q. Determine the coordinates. So we don't have the Q object. This ndio tunatafuta. So solution. Okay, let's start. The formula translation, we know translation plus object, is equals to image. Translation plus object T plus O is equals to image I. Translation plus object is equals to image. This is the formula you should use in this question. Therefore, the translation, you don't have the translation. So the first step is to look for the translation. To look for the translation T. Therefore, we don't have the coordinates of T. Therefore, T, we disguise it as the coordinates are maybe X and Y, because we don't have the coordinates. So therefore, we know translation XY, translation plus the object. Now we'll use the P object because we have the P object, which is -2, 5. Therefore, P object here, it will be -2, 5 is equals to the P image, because is equals to image. Therefore, P image. Therefore, the P image is 2, 2. Therefore, 2, 2, like that. Therefore, let's start. X plus -2 is equals to 2. X plus -2 is equals to 2. X plus -2 is equals to 2. Therefore, x minus 2 is equals to 2. Therefore, you take this on the other side, it will be x is equals to 2 plus 2. Therefore, x is equals to 4. So tumepata 4, the first unknown number, which is x. Therefore, let's look for y. Y plus 5 is equals to 2. Y plus 5 is equals to 2. Therefore, bring 5 on this side, it will be y is equals to 2 minus 5. Therefore, y is equals to -3. Y is equals to 2 minus 5. Therefore, you get -3. Therefore, tumepata the translation T. We have x, which is 4. So it is 4, because we started with x, then y it is -3. So it is 4, -3. We have our translation. Good. Now let's look for the Q object. Let's look for the Q object. Therefore, because we know translation plus object is equals to image, therefore we know the translation for -3 plus the object the object Q atuna. So you can put the coordinates as A and B, because we don't have the Q object. You can put the coordinates as A and B because we don't have the coordinates. This is the translation T is equals to the Q image, because image Q image, which is the Q image, which is 9, -5. This sign is an image, shows this is a Q image. You see the object doesn't have the sign, so this is the object. Okay, so the Q object tumeona ni 9, -5. Haya, so let's get for A first. 4 plus, this is an addition sign. 4 plus A is equals to 9. So it will be 4 plus A is equals to 9. Therefore, you take this on the other side, it will be a is equals to 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4, therefore a is equals to positive 5. So tumepata the first unknown, which is a, tumepata ni 5. Now let's look for b. So b will be negative 3 plus b is equals to negative 5. Therefore negative 3 plus b is equals to negative 5. Therefore we take this on the other side, whereby it will become a positive. Therefore b is equals to negative 5 plus 3. Therefore b is equals to negative 2. So having the two unknowns, we have our q object. Now the q object is equals to, because we said it's a, then b. A is 5. A is 5 here. So our q object is 5. Then b is negative 2. So it's 5, negative 2. So you have the q object and you have your 3 marks like that. So first step, we said you look for the translation, then you look finally for the q object or for the question asked. So this is a 3-mark question. That's how you get your 3 marks. So subscribe for more videos up here, subscribe for more videos, and thank you for watching.